okay.
I love.
Are you okay? Hope you're fine.
Wallahi tallahi, fa. Me, I'm not fine at all.
Hi.
I am not fine, fa. You see Emeka, I will deal with Emeka, fa. I will show Emeka that I am from Kano. Let me tell you, Dick Aduna, Kukakowa, Zona Kano that they should have that Chukubaiki Yanus.
But my love must still fight him. Let's leave this village. I'll go to another village where will be just you and I. Please. Let's leave.
Ayowa, Sinelo, you mean if you follow me, go Kano?
Anywhere you go, I will go.
Yo, Sinelo.
I love you.
Mata ne. Sinelo, I have flinty cow in Kano, ba. Flinty nama. I will kill flinty cow for you, ba. You are saying it? Sinelo, my nyarinya. Yama can say mbura baba.
Okay, we should go inside.
Sinelo, you are my mother, and come and show my face. Show my face. I will make you my Ajia. Say go, baby.
This one that Amara did not come back again today. What must have happened?
I'm worried about it too. If Ifeanyi were to be around now, he would have told us if she's still coming back or not.
Mama, those two must have communicated. I know them too well. They must have communicated whether she's still coming today or not. I know them.
Let's see.
I know them very well.
Mama, I had to go around. I was wondering where you people were. You're looking so fine.
Thank you.
I like your hair. Mama, I've missed you. I know you're worried I didn't come back. Our bus broke down and we had to stay there for close to 3 hours before I come in. Some of these commuters are so careless.
I was worried. I said, why this late?
Where's my husband? I miss him. Where is he? He's not yet back.
He'll soon be back.
What is he still doing out there? But he knows I'm coming today.
Don't worry. Go and have your bath. I'll get you something to eat. You'll soon be back. Don't worry.
Mama, I've missed you.
Hey. Freshen, go in and freshen up. Go inside and freshen up. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. Where are you coming from at this time?
Chai.
Hey, don't patronize me. Don't try it. Who is she that you were with? Where have you been?
Which one is who?
Which woman were you with?
No woman anywhere. Say which woman? Which woman is what? See my love.
I am serious. Don't change the topic.
See my love. I didn't go. I went out with my friend. I accompanied my friend to Onitsha to buy building materials for his site. And guess what? I made some money. I made some money today. You see, if I had stayed back, my love, would I? Okay, see now. I made 30,000 naira from nowhere. All because I accompanied him to Onitsha.
Didn't you remember I was coming today?
Of course, I told Jane to prepare rice and stew for you now. I even told Mama.
Then why didn't you pick my calls?
My love, the phone was inside his car. We are just inside the market looking for good prices. If I did not go, would I have gotten this money? One hustle now. Yeah, I miss you.
I miss you, Ma.
Wait, see woman now. Though I know you're beautiful, quite alright. I know that I married right, but you don't see.
I've missed you.
No, baby. Oh God, babe. I'll be going out later today.
Okay.
That is my guy that is building a massive project in this community. A project that will be beneficial to a lot of villagers.
What?
And I am like the major site manager.
Boss. Tell me, do I know this your friend?
No, you don't know him. You see, ever since you've been in the city, he's been asking of you. But right now that you're back, of course, I'll tell him my wife is back.
Okay, that would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Evelyn. Hello?
Oh. See. Is everything all right?
Yes. Are you ready to go out now?
Yes, you've been making calls, always on the phone. I hope everything is all right.
Everything is fine, my love.
No challenge?
No.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay?
No
Please
problem.
make sure you come back early. It's important.
Okay, I will.
Alright.
Okay, I'm going.
Take care. Bye. But I go well, though.
Oh, Evelyn, shut up. Shut the fuck up. This is a simple task. Evelyn, are you telling me you can't get this girl for me? Evelyn, tell her that I'm ready to employ her as the MD. Evelyn, are you telling me you can't get this girl to be mine? Tell her that I have a job offer for her. I will make her the MD immediately with an official car and all the other benefits. Evelyn, get this girl for me or be ready to lose your job. I don't like excuses. What is all this? You know how you talk to your fellow woman. What are you telling me? You're telling me you can't tell her. The job offer is enticing enough. Stop saying all that.
It looks like someone is making you angry over the phone.
Brother, you know all these incompetent employees. Once they get the job, they think they can't lose it. They just become relaxed.
Is he mad? Anybody that is not competent should be fired now.
My brother, just a simple tax.
You fire him now. Is he what you're wasting time for? Does he know what it takes to open a company?
They don't understand.
It's not what you should stress yourself. What are you doing here, by the way? I was actually going that someone I'm supposed to do a job, so I'm going to give the person budget for the job.
Oh.
I'm surprised to see you packed here. Is everything?
I just stopped to take this call. But if where you're going can wait, let's go and see my site.
Let's go now.
All right.
Who knows if there's something that we
that's what I'm saying.
Let's go immediately.
I must thank you the way you handled those doubts. You know, if not for you, I would have given in to their demand. But thank God you are there.
Henry saying he must thank me. He must thank. Are you supposed to thank me?
Yes, of
You
course.
are my friend. You're not supposed to. I did what I'm supposed to do. Do you understand? Besides, it's like you don't know me in this village. Ask now. If you get ask our IPU. Ask people about me in this village. Nobody can mess around now.
Number one, the champion.
Pay developmental fee when I'm in this village for you. No, now. Instead, we'll die now. Everybody will perish. They cannot try. They know they cannot try with me.
Annie, say no more. I've confirmed this one.
Say pay developmental
But then,
fee.
Annie, let's go somewhere and chill. Well, 112.
My brother, that would have been nice, oh. But you know, it's been long. I left house since morning. So even if I have to sit out and have a drink, and leave me alone, this man, you understand? I will get home first. Tell them before I come out.
Don't tell me you are a lover boy. When men are still warming up for the evening, a man must leave house now. You're not saying leave house.
I know, but at least to tell them that this is...
And they know you are not going to come back now. The evening is still fresh. Let's go and chill. What do you think? Now I did one or two, and then everything working. We have a lot to talk about.
God, no. Now, so it look like me. It's fine. Let's go. Not the one you ever not forget. I like drink.
It's just one bottle.
Several one.
You?
You see this, my friend? He likes.
Evelyn, there is nothing that man will give to me that will make me sleep with him. No, you have to understand. And I'll appreciate it if you can just stop. Stop this nonsense. For God's sake, I have told you already, never. Can you stop pushing this? Just butt out of my business. No, that's not going to happen. I appreciate you checking in on me. It's not necessary, okay? My husband just got in. Let me attend to him. All right, thank you. Honey, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Who are you talking to?
Chigozie, my cousin. He asked after you. He said, how are you? I said, you were good.
Oh, okay. How is he?
It's fine. So how did your day go?
My day, no, it's not finished yet. I just came to see you and get something and eat.
Okay, so I'll just fix you a bath while I make something for you to eat.
No, bad. Just food to eat.
Just food to eat?
Yeah.
Is that why you did not hug me?
I did.
You didn't hug me properly. Get up and hug me. Amara, what is your problem? Why do you want me to lose this job? What is even so special about you? What does Mr. Henry see in you that he can just forget about you? Even when you keep rejecting him stupidly. What is all this madness? What is about you? Are you so foolish that you can't do the right thing? Still a child. Do I need to force it down your throat for you to be reasonable for once? Better don't try me and get things done. Good day, Mr. Henry. What do you expect me to say or do when you won't even let me rest? You keep pestering my life simply because I want to work in your firm. No, I'm not having it. Listen, I have a reputation to protect, and that's what I'm doing.
Sure, I shouldn't go. Let's just go and buy it.
Honey, are you going out?
I want to take Mama to the chemist to buy malaria medicine for her.
You're still having the symptoms?
Yes, my daughter. I want to go and see if Martina can give me injection.
You want
I'm
to go?
tired of all these tablets.
Can't I just bring Matilda here to give you the injection?
Come on, calm down. Since she wants to, let her just go with you, okay?
Oh yeah, let's go now.
Don't worry, before you come, I'll prepare something for you to eat, okay? Careful.
Sorry,
Mama.
Sorry,
Mama. Sorry, Mama. Sorry.
And why? What are you doing outside when everyone is inside?
Nothing.
Oh,
Sorry,
go.
Mama.
I know how I should have,
There you go again. I know, and yet you refuse to do the needful. Emeka, tell me, how long have we been dating? 5 good years, and you've refused to propose to me. When will you come and see my parents? When?
I know. But baby, you know I love you. You know there's nothing that will make me not to marry you. I am for you, Emeka is for you. My body and soul is for you, baby. You understand everything. I'll stop doing this now.
Emeka, all I'm asking for you is to engage me. Put the ring on my middle finger, please.
You see, listen, Chinelo, you see, putting a ring on your hand is not the problem. The problem here is doing the necessary things. You know I'm not buoyant. I can't see I'm managing my life. Chinelo, do you want me to go and steal up because I want to get married to you? It's very bad. Understand me. I love you and I'm here for you. If you want me to do anything for you, I can do anything for you. But just give me small time. Oberuge. And I'll come and do the necessary things.
Emeka, I love you. I love you. All I'm asking is just engage me. Then I will wait as long as you want. Emeka.
My brother, someone is cultivating her farmland. Yes. And that person is with a bigger hole. For her to open her mouth and tell you this thing, that means that someone is coming. And that person promised her marriage. You see?
Remember, we've not seen each other for this now. Are you not supposed to be happy seeing me?
Hey, Emeka, are you expecting me to be happy seeing you? Where is the ring I asked you to bring for me? Oh, you think I'm joking? Okay? Or that I'm not serious? Okay.
Chinelo, don't tell me it's because of this ring issue that you've been avoiding me. Huh?
Emeka, let me just tell you. Enough of all this your concaboo story. I'm not interested. I'm Makajo.
Chinelo. Absolutely. Please. Say yes to me.
So if I did not confront you, you don't know that you do this?
Omebekwa guy. Collect the ring. Yeah?
Absolutely. Please say yes to me. Yes. Aha. Aha.
Oh my God,
Aye.
I can't believe this.
Aye.
I love you, baby.
My friend.
Finally!
Yes. Well, lighter life, me, you, everybody is happy, pa.
Yes.
Happy, pa, me, Mariam, your mata.
What?
Me, marry mata.
You marry her?
Me, marry her.
No, that's sweet. No. You marry her. What are you talking about? Me marry her, not you.
You say it in that book too. Me, he marry her.
Besides, me marry her. What do you mean?
Him marry.
She's my you wife. No.
Nah, he and they talk yo me. He marry him.
Me marry her, right?
Me marry him.
Not to you. Him. Marry. You. No.
Ina sonki me. He marry him.
Me marry her.
Ina sonki me. He marry him.
Yes. So beautiful.
Beautiful. Me, Muhammad. I go Sabongari. I go bring one big cow for everything will go happen for your marriage, you and your mother.
On my wedding day?
Inshallah.
Are you serious?
Yes, I go Sabongari, carry one big cow, come. Your mother and me, you go marry together.
Okay.
This ring, you me give him Yamutu.
No, me give him, not you.
You me give him Yamutu.
Okay. Look at what you are doing to yourself. Eh? You are here crying because of a woman. A girl that doesn't care for anything she will lose. You are here crying. Do you know that the girls in this village are supposed to line up like this and you'll be signing the autograph of their chest? Fine boy like you are here crying. Yeah? Hey! You are insulting me.
Ah! Moment!
Everybody's seeking for comfort or consolation in time of distress. Everybody's seeking for comfort in time of sadness. Makopia majoka. Lack of money. Babu to you. Lack of money. Because of solace, I cannot betray my love. Because of solace, I cannot destroy my peaceful home. Cause I'm seeking for solace. Money and job, they all important, but my peaceful home is dear to me. Money and job, they are all important, but my peaceful home.
You see, I just feel like staying inside without coming down. In fact, let me sleep inside.
And if I don't mad,
If I didn't mad, one name.
That is it. Please, I try and come out early tomorrow.
I thought you want to see Mama.
Sure. You know, without you, I'm worried.
Look at the time you're coming back again tonight. You keep coming back late every single night, forgetting you kept a woman in this house. Tell me, Ifeanyi, have I ever wronged you? What have I done to you that you're punishing me for?
My love, I only went out there to hustle for money. It's money I went to hustle. What would I possibly be doing out there?
What have I done to you, Ifeanyi? Did I offend you?
Why are you sounding like you didn't offend me? We go can natural. It's only money.
I don't know what to believe anymore. Thanks to you, I no longer have my night meals.
I'm sorry. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Forgive me.
Sinelo. My nyarinya. That's a matter. You're too sweet, man.
You're sweet too.
Sinelo. Yeah, man.
Come on! I said, first time the shots.
La.
Online!
Man,
You get mad, collect my pay! You get mad? Any job what you do for this girl, like, man, it's not this fight today.
La.
I'll do this for you.
Come, if you don't leave her alone, stand catch your Kubik. I will kill the two of you right now. If you don't leave my sin alone, I'll kill you. Kill you. Hey! I will kill you. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
Baby, what are you doing here? What is going on? You're holding weapon. What is going on here? What are you doing here? What happened to me?
Let this swing go.
What? Leave her! Don't leave her! Imagine this on your house, in my own land! Hey! Leave her! Hey! Mohammed!
What is going on here?
You mean you don't know what is going on?
I don't know. I don't have any idea. What am I doing here?
Anaya! Mohammed in my own land! Leave her! Let's go.
Fine. I'll be going back next tomorrow. Yes, I want to go and see how my business in Lagos is doing, and then from there, I will go to Ghana. Just a little visit.
Ha. Mary, just say you're tired of this our village. Which one? This is for the year you're going back. You didn't even say anything about these are our local girls in this village. You're tired. You want to go back to your slave queens. Eh?
I know what you're saying, but then funny enough, it's not that.
It is. You just say you're tired. You just want to go back.
I'm not actually going back for any other person apart from this particular girl. She's very beautiful. And I will tell you for sure, one day, the girl have captured my heart. And I'm willing to forget any other person and focus on this particular girl.
I believe this thing you're saying. Which one is you? You that I know.
I'm being serious here. Okay, Charlie.
Serious with who? You can never stay with one person. Okay, I know you very well. Leave this to yourself. Which girl will make Henry? I know Henry stay without any other person. Oh, well, I know you're just tired.
And be coming down. I cannot lie to you, you're my man. This particular girl is special. I'm telling you. As a matter of fact, let me show you her picture. It's not like
no problems. So if you travel now, when are you come? The girl.
You see?
But right now that you're back, of course, I'll tell him my wife is back.
Okay, that would be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, evening. Hello?
Oh. Is everything all right?
Yes. Are you ready to go out now?
Yes, you've been making calls, always on the phone. I hope everything is all right.
Everything is fine, my love.
No challenge?
No.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay?
No
Please
problem.
make sure you come back early. It's important.
Okay, I will.
Alright.
Okay, I'm going.
Take care. Bye. But I go well, though. Evening. There is nothing that man will give to me that will make me sleep with him. No. You have to understand. And I'll appreciate it if you can just stop. Stop this nonsense. For God's sake, I have told you already, never. Can you stop pushing this? Just butt out of my business. No, that's not going to happen. I appreciate you checking in on me. It's not necessary, okay? My husband just got in. Let me attend to him. All right, thank you. Honey, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Who are you talking to?
Chigozie, my cousin. He asked after you. He said, how are you? I said, you were good.
Oh, okay. How is he?
It's fine. So how did your day go?
My day, no, it's not finished yet. I just came to see you and get something and eat.
Okay, so I'll just fix you a bath while I make something for you to eat.
No, bad. Just food to eat, babe.
Just food to eat?
Yeah.
Is that why you did not hug me?
I did.
You didn't hug me properly. Get up and hug me. Where are you coming from at this time?
Ty.
Hey, don't patronize me. Don't try it. Who is she that you were with? Where have you been?
Which one is who?
Which woman were you with?
No woman anywhere. Say which woman? Which woman is what? See my love.
I am serious. Don't change the topic.
See my love. I didn't go. I went out with my friend. I accompanied my friend to Onitsha to buy building materials for his site. And guess what? I made some money. I made some money today. You see, if I had stayed back, my love, would I? Okay, see now. I made 30,000 naira from nowhere. All because I accompanied him to Onitsha. Eh?
Didn't you remember I was coming today?
Of course, I told Jen to prepare rice and stew for you now. I even told Mama.
Then why didn't you pick my calls?
My love, the phone was inside his car. We are just inside the market looking for good prices. Eh? If I did not go, would I have gotten this money? Eh? One hustle now. Eh? Yeah, I miss you.
I miss you, Ma.
Wait, see woman now. Eh? Though I know you're beautiful, quite alright. I know that I married right, but you don't can see. Oh.
I've missed you.
No, baby.
Honey? My love. Let's go inside. Let's go and eat. Honey?
What is it now? Go and eat. Did I tell you I'm hungry? Did we talk about anything hunger?
You came back looking all moody and gloomy. I've asked you what the problem is. You refuse to talk to me.
I don't know the meaning of all this English. I said I don't want to eat. Eat your food.
What is happening?
Here.
Ifeanyi Ogene, what is it now? Why are you looking like this? What's the problem?
Mama, Biko, I tell him this thing. You should just leave me alone. Biko.
What is wrong?
Did I tell anybody I'm hungry?
No.
It's like...
Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Mama, what's going on?
What happened?
I don't know.
Anything to him?
I didn't do anything wrong. Mama, I even tried to touch him. He just moved away from me. I was wondering what was going on. I don't understand anything. What's happening?
Leave him. You know.
I don't know what happened.
Leave him. Whatever that is eating him up, when he leaves him, he will come back to you.
Did you do anything? I didn't do anything wrong.
Mama, talk to brother. I don't like this thing. Talk to him.
I will try. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go and eat.
Oh, Ifeanyi. Why are you no longer picking your calls? Oh, God. What could be wrong? Evelyn.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome back.
Thank you. Evelyn, send me the files and documents that I need to attend to today. Okay?
Okay. So, if I may ask, how was your trip?
It was good. The new site is nearing completion. Just few touches here and there.
Permit me to say congratulations, sir. I'll get the files ready.
Thank you. It's an order. Please send an appointment letter to Amai, making her the MD of the company. And she needs to resume early on Monday or forget about the job. Okay, please, get me the files now.
Yes.
Honey? Yeah, are you going out? I'm here to discuss something with you.
I'm not interested.
What do you mean you're not interested?
Ifeanyi, why are you talking to your wife like that? Your wife is talking to you, you're telling her you are not interested. What is happening? Eh?
The last time I checked, I don't have a wife.
What? Mama? Did you hear what you said? Did you hear him? What's the meaning of this? What's going on with him? Why is he... Mama, why am I losing my husband? Why is he just gradually fading into oblivion? What's going on? What's happening? Mama, do you know that the company I went for their interview, they sent me a letter. I was just appointed as their managing director, Mama. And they offered me an official house and a car. And I'm expected to resume work on Monday, which is in a few days. And now my husband just walks out on me. That's what I wanted to even discuss with him. He just walks out and he's not talking to me. What's going on?
Well, have you discussed with him to know what is hurting?
Mama, I have tried. Each time I try to talk to him, he will just walk out and snub me. The same old reaction. Why has he sentenced himself to a prison that I don't even understand? What is eating him up? Why can't he just open up and say, what is wrong with him?
And the worst of it is that he wouldn't say anything. He wouldn't even allow anybody to talk. He just sentenced himself to this kind of depression.
Mama, at this point, I am sick and tired of his attitude. You know what? You see that job? I am taking it. I'll be traveling to Lagos tomorrow. Yes, to resume work on Monday, whether if I likes it or not. Yes, I do not want to lose my husband, but in the same vein, I do not want to lose my job. So I am traveling to Lagos, and that's fine now. Mama, don't talk to me. Talk to your son. Excuse me. Mama, please leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. Over to you, sir.
Amazing. Super amazing. You know, I never knew there's an easy way to go through the... I've been hitting dead walls.
Sir, did you go with the bow? Please just drop it. Thank you. You know, another time, if you want to do this, you just backspace.
Okay.
Then you scroll down to this point. This way. So it becomes super easy for you. Simple.
This is good. You know what? Yes, I'm taking you out for lunch. You just...
Calm down, sir. I can't go out to lunch. That's because I still have a lot of work to see to.
Walk. Come on, you just did something. We need to go.
I understand some of the time, sir.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is great. So I can just do backspace like you said.
Yes. It's quite simple. I'll be at my office.
It's not simple. It's just that you're brilliant.
Thank you.
No wonder the good grades. Now I understand. Thank you.
I'll be at my office.
All right.
Please, when you're going for lunch, do let me know, okay?
Can you just shut up? Shut up and cut the pretense. Do you think I do not know what is going on? Do you see me as a fool? But I promise you, this is not going to last forever. Mark my words.
Evelyn, why shush me up like this? What's going on with you? I am talking to you. What's your problem? Come on, did I do something to you? Why are you being, what's the meaning of what called the pretense and all that stuff? What's going on?
Get out. Leave me alone. Do you now also expect me to lose my job? Haven't you done enough?
So, let me assume you're having a bad day. We'll revisit this conversation.
Pretenders do the worst.
Ifeanyi, Mom, this one you're sitting like this, is everything all right? Eh?
Everything is right.
It's been 5 days now since your wife traveled. But I've not seen any sign of you missing her. Is everything all right, Mom?
Any sign of missing who? Who is my wife in the first place? I want to know. Why are you calling my wife? And why should I miss someone that is using me to cover up? How is that possible? Mama, please don't even talk about wife anything close to me. Abiko.
Your wife, I don't understand though. What happened?
What happened is that I cannot, someone that is prostituting in the city can never be my wife.
Prostitute?
Yes, Amara is a prostitute. That's what she's doing in the city. Leave that work or whatever. That is what she's doing in the city. So we know now. I mean, it's open. I know now. Wife. Yes.
A prostitute?
Yes. It's not allegedly. I am very, very sure. That's what she's doing.
This is a very big allegation. You should know that. Are you very sure of what you're saying?
Allegation. Okay. You know, I've been keeping this to myself. But since it's now like this, let me just show you. Okay? It's an allegation. Allegation. Take. Look.
Eh? Hey. Mban. Who is this one?
Okay. It's
Hey! Mban, no. I can't believe this is happening. Eh? Hey. Hey, whoa. Hey.
I'll give it to Amara when she comes in.
What? This is what I'm supposed to be enjoying. And not that witch, that uncircumcised animal that I brought here. That girl literally stole everything from me. Does that mean he buys her lunch? It simply means that she has spread those her elephant legs for him. So they've done it. They've done it. If she's hungry, she'll find her way to my office. Take the phone and get down. Rubbish.
What is it?
Sir, I came to say thank you for lunch. But honestly, you shouldn't have. The thing is, I told you earlier I brought my own lunch. I was just waiting to finish what I was doing so I could eat.
Amara, you know you're a very bad liar. You and I know that you didn't bring any food. The reason why you're saying all this is because you don't want me to take you out for lunch.
I'm not lying, sir.
Amara, don't lie to me. As you can see, I'm doing something. I have lots of work here, so you can go to your office.
Thank you, sir, for lunch.
Oh, mouse. I saw a mouse here. Did you see a mouse? Did you see a mouse in there? I saw one here. Ah, where did this mouse run to? Where did he run to? Who is there? Knock, knock. Yes, so who is it? Oh? Mama, leave my daughter. Hey! How are you? I'm fine, Mama. Nice, Amara, your friend. She's fine.
Hey, Mama,
Mama, I believe you are healthy and hearty.
I'm fine. How are you and your friend Amara? How is
Mama,
she?
I'm fine.
What's she doing now in Lagos?
I believe you two still talk.
Once, yes.
Is Ifeanyi your husband around?
Yes.
I'd like to speak to him.
Okay, wait, let me go. Come inside and sit down now.
Oh, no, don't worry. There won't be need for that. I'm in a hurry. I'll want to go back with the evening flight.
Okay. Wait, let me come.
Okay.
If you know, fine.
Ifeanyi, how are you?
What do you want?
Amara, your wife. Talk to her. Call her to order. I didn't bring her all the way from this village to Lagos for her to sleeping around with men. Tell her to leave my boss alone. I do not want to lose my job.
So, it is true that Amara is doing prostitution in Lagos?
I believe that question is not for me.
What has my son done to deserve Amara hurting him this way?
I hope I've made myself clear. Warn your wife to stay away from my boss.
Hey. Hey!
You know, you'll be coming with me to Abuja for the International Business Summit.
What?
Evelyn, what are you doing here?
Sir, this woman here is married and she abandoned her husband in the village.
Amara,
Sir.
what is she saying? She's saying the truth?
Yes, sir, she is. I tried to tell you a lot of times, but you just wouldn't listen.
Evelyn, leave us.
You don't get it. I am trying to save you from committing fornication with a married woman. Sir.
Sit down. Is this the reason why you have refused to give in to my request? Even when you know that I'm ready to do anything for you?
Yes, sir. I love my husband. No amount of wealth can make me cheat on him. He might be poor. He's still my everything.
Ma, I'm very sorry. I didn't know. I would have stopped a long time ago.
It's okay. It's not your fault. But something came to mind. Since the branch in my village is ready, I would like to request that you please transfer me to that branch so I can be close to my family. You know, since I got back to Lagos the second time, myself and my husband, we had some issues, and I feel like if you transfer me to that branch, it will help me grow closer once again to my husband.
Umuagu. You know I'm from Enugu State as well. I'm from Umuibe. And I have a friend from Umuagu. He's a popular guy.
What's his name? I might just know him.
Like I said, he's a popular guy. You might know him. His name is Ifeanyi Akachukwu.
That's my husband. What a small world I made.
Ifeanyi is your husband.
So you asked to see me?
How did you get the nude picture of Amara that you sent to me? Evelyn, she called you friend. All you could do is try selling her to me.
I was scared. Scared of losing my job. And you've been threatening my job over her.
Are you saying that everything that happened is my fault?
Yes, it is your fault, sir. But I'm sorry. I tried talking to you about it. I tried telling you that Amara is married. But you wouldn't listen. You didn't even give me time to explain things to you. You were carried away by your lust.
Alright, I take full responsibility and you should do so as well. Wait, look, I'll still promote you to the position that I promised you earlier. But Evelyn, you have to follow me to her husband's house so we can make things right there, please. Yes, her husband is my best friend and I don't want to be a betrayer. I don't want to be that friend that stabs his friend at the back.
What are you doing here? Huh? Look, if you honey me, if you honey me one bit, what are you doing here? What are you? If you come close to me, I'll slap the hell out of you. Are you mad? So you shamelessly show your face here. You shamelessly showed your face here after sleeping with my friend.
I did not sleep with your friend.
Get out of this house.
Get out. Hear us out first.
Just get out.
Can you just let... Honey, what are you doing? Jane, can you talk to your brother? What, Mama? But why? Talk to your son.
Mama, let them leave here.
Brother.
I'll just tell them.
Yes, I promise I didn't do anything. Mama, connect just listen to me, please. Mama, please.
Leave here.
Please.
She didn't sleep with me. Yeah? She didn't sleep with me. I tried using Evelyn to get to her, but she refused. Yeah? Her love for you is strong, Biko.
I didn't even know that's why you were angry.
That is true. I am sorry. I didn't know that was your reason for hating her. Evelyn here was the one who was always calling her, convincing her to sleep with her boss so she could get promoted in the company.
What? What are you saying? Evelyn, please leave me alone. I have told you severally that I cannot date or sleep with Mr. Henry. Why are you still pestering me? I won't do it, no matter what it takes. I love my husband. Listen. What? Even if he gives me his whole company, I still will not sleep with him. So respect yourself and stop calling me. I love my husband too much for that. I will not cheat on him. Evelyn, if you persist, I will stop taking your calls. Do you understand me? Is that your friend, Evelyn? Yes. She keeps pestering me to sleep with her boss because she just wants to be promoted. I don't know the position she's vying for. I really do not care. But I've told her several times and she's refused to hear me. And at this point, I'm getting fed up. I've told her I don't want to sleep with him. I don't know what she wants with me. And the only reason I don't want to tell my husband is because I don't want him to see her as bad influence. But this is getting too much and it's becoming irritating.
She's so bad. What kind of a friend is that?
I am sorry. Please, forgive my friend here. It's all my fault. I was desperate for the new position Mr. Henry here promised me. Mr. Henry here pressured me into convincing her to accept being his girlfriend, but she never succumbed. So I had to take a nude picture of her just to show that I was trying. Please forgive her. She never slept with him. Please, it's all my fault.
Annie, why, please? I didn't know she was your wife. I didn't know. I did all that, but I didn't know she was your wife. Immediately I found out that she's your wife. That's why I brought her here. Biko, one while. I didn't have anything to do with that. I was just trying. Nothing happened. What if I didn't do anything. Biko.
Honey, I didn't do anything. I didn't even know that was why you were angry. Please, I am so sorry. It's all my fault. Please, forgive her.
Mama, why do you think I can do something like this?
I am so sorry.
You've been the cause of all this.
Mama, please,
Biko.
Please, I am sorry. It's all my fault. Please, put the blame on me. I am truly sorry. Please, forgive her. Please.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I know.
Evelyn. Hey. Sorry for all they put you through, sorry. Help! Mama, I've always known you are a nice woman. Come. Sorry, my dear. Come.
We are sorry.
My love, I don't know how I can ever thank you for being so caring and understanding person to be. No more, I can't survive without you. No more, I can't survive without you. Iligo bibo, ibawa go busy, ibu kwankemo. When true love is involved, one name in a fellow go by. Man, I want the more we go for my temptation there. When true love is involved, one name in a fellow go by. Man, I want the more we go for my temptation there. Sweetie, sweetie, this love is very sweet. In a fellow go by. Man, I want the more we go for my temptation there. Darling, darling, oh, this love is adorable. In a fellow go by. Man, I want the more we go for my temptation there. When true love is involved,